Sri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Let us continue with modifying and deleting strings. Strings in Python are immutable, which means once we define a string, it cannot be changed during execution. If we want to modify the string, a new string value can be assigned to the existing string variable. This is a string we have assigned to the variable x. For example, if we make use of print function to print the first character in a string using the index value, h will be displayed. We can access the characters in a string using index value. Whereas if we try to change the value of the first character like this, we'll get an error. This is not possible in Python. The strings are immutable. Once a string is defined, it cannot be changed. If we want to modify the value, the new value can be assigned to the variable like this. Python provides a function called replace to change all the occurrences of a particular character in a string to some other character. In this example, replace O, E on execution will be able to replace all the occurrences of O by E. Similarly, Python will not allow deleting a particular character in a string. If we want to delete a particular character from the string, it is not possible in Python. Del command can be used for deleting. If we give the command like del x of 0, we'll get an error. This is not possible. We can delete the entire string using the del command. Del x can be given. The entire string will be deleted. Let us discuss with few examples. X equal to this is a string. We can access the characters in a string using the index value. So x of 0 is nothing but h. But we cannot change the character in a string. We try to write like this. We'll get an error. Object does not support item assignment. So modification is not allowed in Python. Let me give an example for replace function. X dot replace So using replace function, we are going to replace all the occurrences of O by E. You can see the output here. Similarly, del command can be used for deleting, but we cannot delete a particular character in a string. We try to delete the first character, we'll get an error. If we give the command del x, the entire string will be deleted. Using print function, if we try to print the value of x, error is displayed. Name x is not defined because we have deleted the string. So strings in Python are immutable. Once we define a string, it cannot be changed. We can make use of a replace function to change all the occurrences of a particular character in a string. Del command can be used to delete the entire string. We'll meet in the next class, children.